Hello, I am Akhtar Khan, Group 317, Topic 4.8. My topic is antibody and antigens in biophysics. Antibody and antigens are crucial component in the field of biophysics, particularly in understanding immune response and the interaction between biomolecules. Here's a brief overview of each and their significance in our biophysics. Antigens, definition of antigen. Antigens are substances that can trigger an immune response. They are typically proteins or carbohydrate found on the surface of pathogens like bacteria, virus, and foreign substance. Type: exogenous antigens originated from outside the body, example pathogens. Endogenous antigens produced with the body, often as a result of normal cellular process or mutation. Biophysical property: antigen can be studied throughout and various biophysical techniques such as X-ray crystallography, nuclear magnetic resonance, and surface plasmon to understand their structure, dynamic, and how they interact with antibodies. Antibodies definition: antibody or immunoglobulin are glycoprotein produced by beta cell in the response to antigen. They bind specifically to antigens to neutralization them or mark them for destruction by the other immune cell. Structure: antibody have a Y-shaped structure with variable region that allow for surface binding to different antigen. The constant region determine the antibody class IgG, IgA, IgM, etc., and its function. Biophysical techniques such as ELISA means enzyme linked immunosorbent assays, Western blotting, and mass spectrometer are used to analyze antibody antigen interaction and stability of conformation. In summary, the study of antibody and antigens in biophysics encompasses their structural property, integration, dynamic, and application in the health and disease. This knowledge is vital for antibodies and antigens in biophysics and involving and therapeutic strategy. Second topic 4.9: fibrous protein role in biophysics. Fibrous protein play crucial role in biophysics due to their structural and mechanical property. Here are some key points and their role. First point: structural support. Collagen, the most abundant fibrous protein in the human body. Collagen provide tension and strength to tissues such as skin, bone, and cartilage. Keratin, found in the hair, nail, and the outer layer of skin. Keratin contribute to protection and structure integrity. Second point: mechanical property. Fibrous protein inhibit unique mechanical property like elasticity and tensile strength, which are essential for the functionality of various biological tissue. For the instant, elastin allow tissue to strength and recall creatine for the organ like lungs and blood vessels. Third point: biophysical interaction. Fibrous protein often interact with the their and biomolecule, influencing cellular process and signaling pathway. Their interaction can be studied using the technique X-ray diffraction and electron microscope to understand their structure and dynamic. Fourth point: role in biometrical. Fibrous protein used in biometricals for tissue in engineering due to their biocompatibility and ability to mimic and natural interaction and cellular matrix. Research into the synthetic analogs of fibrous proteins aims to create materials for the medical application. Fifth point, stability and folding. Understanding the folding mechanism of fibrous protein is crucial for the insight into the disease related to the protein misfolding, such as a amyloid. Biophysical technique like circular discharge CD and nuclear magnetic research spectroscopy are employed to study those their process. Six point, last point, self assembly. Many fibrous protein can self assemble into the higher order structure, which is vital for forming function biological material. This property is important in understanding process like wound heating and tissue regain. In summary, fibrous protein are integrity and understanding the physical property of biological system, contributing of structural integrity, mechanical function and interaction with the cellular environment. Thank you.